I don't know what would have happened to you if we hadn't said yes. Maybe there would have been somebody else. Maybe God had somebody else lined up to take our place, but he didn't have to use them because we said yes. And how blessed we have been because of it.
I don't think I realized what your home life was really like or the reasons behind why you came to stay with us. I didn't even know there were questions that needed to be asked.
I didn't know for a long time that it wasn't normal for people's friends to not have their own bed at someone's house.
Matt would often call on a Friday and say, "What are y'all doing?" And the answer needed to be, "We're not doing anything. You want to come over?" And he would come for the weekend, had his own bed at our house in Gabe's room. They would watch the Dukes of Hazzard and we'd make pizza.
The time we got broke into going to church, and Floyd decided to move the farmhouse on campus and add an extra bedroom. Well, that extra bedroom made it where you could come stay.
That happened on Monday, and Hank called on Wednesday to see if we could take you. It's pretty powerful.
I honestly don't have a memory of meeting you. You were just always there. There was no grafting you into our family slowly. You just always belonged.
It gives you so much biblical insight, I think, into God's story of how that grafting in or the making families complete, even though they're not by birth, so to speak.
It's just all a thing of when a whole bunch of people say yes to God, great things can happen. And it's not due to any one of them. Not all due to Hank and Carl. Not all due to you. Way not all due to us. But there's just so many people that put in. I love the scripture about, I planted, Apollos watered, but God gave the increase. But somebody had to do the planting. Somebody needed to water. It's a wonderful cycle of life. What can happen when people surrender to God and don't barge through life seeking their own agenda.